Welcome to this instructional video on installing a WABCO air suspension compressor for a Citroën Jumpy VF7 and Peugeot Expert VF3X. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's ensure you have all the necessary information before starting. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and deflate the air system using the diagnostic tool. Raise the rear side of the vehicle and disconnect the handbrake line clips. Now, remove the 3 bolts that hold the compressor bracket to the chassis. Then disconnect the electrical plugs. Now carefully remove the compressor assembly by pulling it out to the front. Disconnect the air lines from the compressor by pushing each line into each fitting and pulling them to remove. Be careful when you remove the green air line, as there may still be high pressure on it from the buffer tank. Make sure to depressurize it before disconnecting. After disconnecting the air lines, fully remove the entire compressor assembly from the vehicle. Now that the compressor assembly is out, remove the outer bracket by removing the 4 nuts. Continue by removing the inner bracket by removing 3 Torx bolts from the opposite side of the compressor. Then transfer the plastic clip from the power supply connector to the new compressor. Assemble the new air suspension compressor using the included hardware in reverse order of removal. Then install the compressor in reverse order of removal. When mounting the compressor, make sure that the power supply cables do not touch each other and that the colors of the air lines on the vehicle match the colors of the air fittings on the compressor. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. After properly mounting the new Arnott compressor into place, start the vehicle and activate the air suspension system by pressing the controller 2 times rapidly. The controller is located in the rear of the vehicle. If successful, you will hear a signal and the system will begin working. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Citroën Jumpy or Peugeot Expert compressor with a WABCO part from Arnott. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.